Hi friends, I want to make an informative announcement about a long-standing product that we use here at the clinic and that a lot of people have benefited from in the past. However, there has been a covert change that's taken place with the ingredient label that I did not catch. So I apologize not catching this sooner. I just assumed it was a packaging change and there was no change with ingredients, but let me bring you up to speed without any further ado. I have been selling Unicity Fiber, it used to be Twin Labs. I've been selling this for over 2 decades, okay? So that's why I didn't look into it closer. That's my best excuse. But when they changed this from the black packaging to the white packaging, what they did was they increased the sweetener in this, and it's not a good sweetener. They use crystalline fructose and maltodextrin as your sweetener, when years ago, I'm talking back in the 90s when I first was using this and selling this at the clinic, they didn't have much sweetener at all in here. So evidently they got some complaints and some people who were, for lack of a better term, they were whining about taste when they should have just guzzled it down. I know I seem a little bit harsh about that, but the reality is not everything that's good for you tastes good, right? That's a given. But a lot of the things that do taste good, they're terrible for you and end up being my job security. Nonetheless, this is a great product up until the sweetener, and I'm referring to Unicity LiFiber. So what is the replacement that I'll be using? And I've kept this the whole time, but the reason I haven't had just this as a standalone is because it's in capsule form, and a lot of our clients love smoothies. So what my point is, if you want to put this in a smoothie, you just have to twist the caps and dump it in your blender. So it actually gives us the best of both worlds, because for people who don't like smoothies and don't make smoothies, they can use the capsules. For people who want to mix it in their smoothie, so be it. Twist it open, dump it in, blend away, and you're good to go. Here's the advantage this product has over the LiFiber. Ready? This has Collinsonia root. Collinsonia root it's a vasodilator. It causes our blood vessels and veins to dilate and open up. So if you're someone who has struggled with rectal hemorrhoids, great product, because Collinsonia root is very healing for hemorrhoids. It also has fenugreek, which kind of couples with the Collinsonia root and provides additional healing for those thinner, stretched out, more inelastic tissues associated with bleeding hemorrhoids or non-bleeding hemorrhoids, either one. Neither one are fun, so if you can help yourself, I suggest using the Gastro-Fiber. You still have to drink a lot of water. It's just in a different form, but this is a terrific product that's been around since the 70s. And it's a viable alternative. If you've been using LiFiber with success, you'll have it with this. You just have to stay hydrated. So hope that's helpful. Reach out to Kim and she can give you more details on how to get this. But you can order this online on our Shopify page as well, in lieu of getting Kim on the horn, which you really don't need to do. But you can order there and you can select ship if you need to ship it, or you can select if you want to pick it up here at the clinic. God bless you all. Have a great day in healing, and we'll talk to you real soon.